Hi guys, Darko here, welcome to my new video in which I will share with you HDR gaming settings for LG's 2017 TVs. I will be demoing this on LG's 55E7 OLED TV, but as LG sharing same OLED panel, same picture processing and same settings on all of their 2017 OLED TVs, these settings are fully applicable to all of them. I have this TV connected to PlayStation 4 Pro console with HDMI cable, and first thing you need to do for HDR gaming is to enable UHD HDR resolution for HDMI input you're using, and that you will do by taking remote for your TV, pressing the gear button, going to all settings, then in general, and here scroll all the way down to HDMI Ultra HD Deep Color. Here I have PlayStation 4 Pro connected to HDMI 1, so for this input this option will be enabled. TV will automatically detect UHD HDR signals and automatically do this, but in case this doesn't work for you, this is the menu option you need to adjust. Now, right now, this is FIFA 2018 demo showing HDR picture. So now I will, with PlayStation controller, double tap on PlayStation button and go to settings, sound and screen, video output settings. And you see here that they have everything on automatic. You should leave it like that. And let's see information about signal. So here you see resolution is UHD with 60 frames per second. Color format for HDR is reduced from RGB to this component 422. But this is due to HDMI 2.0 transfer speed limitation, so that's fine, don't freak about it. And below you have additional information, which resolutions are supported and so on. To adjust and to get best gaming performance with this TV, you need to select Game Picture Preset. So again, on LG's remote, I will press gear button and go to all settings. And now focus on picture option. Here you see that picture mode settings, I selected game, and as soon as you adjust it, it will change name to user. It will get this user information in bracket. There are other modes, but the lowest input lag is in game mode, so we will use it as I said. OLED light is overall peak luminance. If you find luminance of the screen too high, just reduce this value. As an alternative, you can go back one step here and enable energy saving. You have different levels, and this will also reduce luminance of the screen. But for HDR, for punchy colors, I prefer to have OLED light at maximum 100. This is also default value. Contrast 100, brightness 50. Sharpness neutral value is 20, color 50, tint 0, color temperature warm 50. Now by default this slider is at the center or moved to the right, but you want to get as accurate picture, and you get it if you move it all the way to the left to W50. Next we have advanced controls where dynamic contrast is off. Should you want punchier image, bigger contrast, you can get a bit better visual looks if you go with low. I don't prefer medium and high because they mess up picture too much, but low should be okay. But as I want as accurate picture, and I'm demoing this in this video, I will keep it at off. Dynamic color off, preferred color, leave everything at 0. Color gamut auto. This will map colors according to input signal. By default it's at wide, but even here you can see that color of the grass is not as realistic as with auto. Auto does give a little pale colors in comparison, but trust me, this is more accurate as I double checked everything using Kalman calibration software and did detailed analysis with their specific HDR workflows. Then we have super resolution off. Gamma, you cannot change it, it's at default medium. Next is picture options, where you have noise reduction off, MPEG noise reduction off, black level low, Real Cinema together with True Motion is disabled, and Motion Eye Care is turned off. And this is it, guys. As you can see, with small tweaks, really accurate colors and great HDR performance in games. So I highly recommend using these tips for best results. Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, any comment, please leave them in area below. And I'll see you soon in some other video. Enjoy great gaming and goodbye.